Hi, this is Marcel over at Champ Mini again. As requested, giving you a quick little video of the startup of the vehicle. I'll do a shot of the engine, then I'll roll around to the rear, have our demo driver give it some gas so you can see any exhaust fumes to the rear, and I'll come back to the front for the shutoff. Step over to the rear of the vehicle here. And that's it. Hopefully that works for you. Let me know if there's any questions you still have, and I'd be more than happy to follow up with you. Thank you again.